Hi everybody, I'm Penny Johnson. I'm your instructor for the summer section of our course, Outlook. In this video, I'm going to talk about the things that you need to do to get up and running so you can have a successful completion of the Outlook course. So we're an online course. All of our material is housed within the Madison College Blackboard site. You've already received a couple of emails with links to the Blackboard site, and all you have to do is look for our course name, Summer 2019 Outlook. All of the information for the course is located there in our course's Blackboard site. We only use a textbook, so you have to have the textbook. You either have to purchase it from the bookstore or from another retailer, or have access to a reserved copy held at one of the Madison College's libraries. Our course also uses a virtual desktop. This is an online system offered to you through Madison College. You don't have to purchase anything for it. There's lots of videos within our course's Blackboard site to show you how to connect to the virtual desktop and how to use it to access Outlook there. You won't be using your own copy of Outlook. You'll be using Outlook through the virtual desktop. That way, all of your practice and pretend work for the course is in that Outlook experience, and it's not making a mess out of your own regular Outlook account. All right, so step one, make sure that you can access our course's information in Blackboard and read all of the information there. There's a lot to read, but it's important that you understand all of it. Step two, become familiar with how to connect to the virtual desktop and then how to access Outlook via that virtual desktop. Okay, step three is the textbook. You need to make sure that you read all pages in the textbook. There's lots of information in every chapter. Some of the pages in each chapter just contain information for you to read. They don't contain any steps for you to do, but you still have to read those pages because that's all information that helps you become informed about the things that we're going to do for that chapter. So make sure from the textbook that you read all of the pages. Don't just skip to the ones with steps on them, because otherwise the steps won't make any sense, or they make it more difficult to do, and I don't want you to lose points because you don't quite understand what you're doing. So make sure you read all of the pages in every chapter. If you have any questions at any time, you're welcome to email me. I'll do my best to answer every email within 24 hours. Because it's summer, sometimes it might take me a little bit longer. I have lots of meetings and off-campus events that I have to attend on behalf of the college. So be patient. I'll answer as soon as possible. And I answer every single email message. When you're just contacting me with a question or a concern about the course, use my regular Penny Johnson email account at the college. When you're doing any work for the course, you'll see in Blackboard, I explain that I have a special virtual desktop Outlook that I use too, because for the homework, I want to keep that all separate from my regular email. All right, so feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all.